Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another clothing haul, but this one is again with Meshki. I'm so excited because I actually just did one last month. So they actually saw that video and loved it, so they offered to partner up with me on this video, and I'm so excited. So if you don't know what Meshki is, they are an amazing online clothing store, and I am completely obsessed with them. Not only do they sell the most amazing basics, which if you are interested in the basics, then definitely check out my other video, my last video that I did on Meshki, after you watch this video, of course. So check that out. I'll link it down below, but or I'll link it up here. They have so many amazing basics, you guys, like so many amazing ones. And what I love is that they keep the same color for every item. So if they offer something in gray and they offer another thing in gray, the gray is gonna match exactly. What I love about that is you can mix and match different pieces. So let me tell you, they are the go-to shop for your amazing basics, but don't let that fool you. They have amazing party like dresses and just so many amazing standout pieces. So I am going to share with you guys a bunch of kind of more party items. Today's video, we're getting fun. We're playing around with some patterns. We're also going to be playing with neons and some party dresses. I figured this is perfect timing because it is middle of December right now. So if you guys want, a lot of these pieces are going to be perfect if you guys have any holiday parties. Your girl personally, I mean, all I'm going to be doing during this holiday season is in sweatpants, eating, bye, I'll see you guys in January type of status. Like literally, I am not personally going to any holiday parties. Like I said, I'm gonna be in some sweatpants, but I wanted to share with you guys some pieces that I personally recommend to you guys if you are going to some really fun holiday events or holiday parties, or if you're clubbing it up on New Year's. You know, I mean, who knows? Do your thing. So if that's the case for you and you want some of my recommendations for some amazing party dresses, here we go. I'm gonna show you. So the first one here, this is a new-ish kind of piece. This is a really gorgeous brown, chocolatey, and nudie type of snakeskin mini dress, and it has the most gorgeous, I'm gonna pop up the photo here of the model wearing it. Trust me, it looks better on her because this size is too tight for your girl. Okay, so I'm not gonna really get to show you guys how it looks on me standing up because it's too tight, like my whole hoo-ha is showing right now. This one is actually in a size small, and I'm always a small in Meshki, but with this dress, I do recommend going a size up. So I pretty much would have needed a medium because it's pretty tight on my chest area. I have some room on the tummy, but it's a little tight on the chest and on the butt. So definitely go a size up with this dress, but it is beautiful. It has the prettiest kind of like these black like leather strapping details on the thighs, so it's super sexy and kind of racy. I feel like this is a perfect clubbing dress. Like if you're going to clubbing for the New Year's, this is gonna be absolutely perfect. I love it. Also, it does have a zipper going all the way down the back. I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you guys, Meshki actually did offer me a coupon code to give you guys. It's 15% off. All you gotta do is use Amy Macedo and you're gonna get 15% off their entire site. Anything you want. So I will leave the link down below. I'm also gonna leave all the links to every single piece I share in this video. The links are affiliate links. So that does mean that I do receive a small commission that I'm always, of course, like I tell you guys all the time, super thankful for. So I do appreciate it if you shop through those links. So this next piece that we have here is another snakeskin piece. Now I gotta say to you guys, I was never like a huge fan of snakeskin. Not that I hated it, but I wasn't the type that was like drawn to it. But it's kind of trendy now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it. I'm starting to get totally obsessed with it. It just looks so cute, and I love the tones, of course, like the really pretty taupey kind of gray tones, and then I love how this one is very brown. It's just so gorgeous, but this one is more simple, so it's really nice. This one is true to size. It's a size small, but it fits really nicely. It's super stretchy. Even though there is a zipper going all the way down the back, it's not like, it's forgiving. It's super forgiving and super stretchy and feels really comfortable. So Meshki actually just recently launched their neon pieces, which I was so excited to see them do. Neon pieces are really in right now, and I just love the quality of Meshki. Can I just say, like, let me just, no BS right now, I even said this in my last video, the quality of Meshki is top notch. Like, you do pay a little bit more when you shop at Meshki, but it's very reasonably priced for the quality that you're getting. Like, you know what I mean? Very reasonably priced because the quality is bomb. Everything fits you super nice. You feel like you paid like 200 bucks for one piece and you didn't. Like, it's just, it fits you really nice, so it's definitely worth the little bit of extra that you do pay. But I love this bodysuit, so cute. This one is neon green, kind of like neon yellowish green. This one is in a medium because I didn't know how it would fit. So I'm happy with that. The back isn't scoop back, which is kind of nice because you don't have to worry about your bra showing or kind of wearing a different bra with it. Okay, I'm totally obsessed with this. This is a short sleeve mini neon pink mock neck dress. You guys already know me with the long descriptions, but I'm just really detailed, you know? Anyways, you guys can see it. It is so beautiful. I just feel like it's so cute with the mock neck neckline and the little short sleeve and the bright neon pink. Just so absolutely gorgeous. I love this. The zipper is in the back, but you can barely see it. Super seamless, and the zippers are amazing quality. I know sometimes you can get zippers and they just constantly tug, or they break really easily. With Meshki, their zippers are super nice quality. It has like a nice sheen to it, which really stands out, so it's just super cute. So the next neon piece that I got is pretty much the same, but just in the long sleeve, which I love. This is one of their famous dresses that you guys saw me wear in the last video. This is called their Kylie dress. Really popular dress, but they decided to make it in neon colors. And I, of course, picked out the neon pink because I personally just really love how neon pink looks on me. I'm obsessed, and pink has always been my favorite color ever since I was a little girl. I've always loved pink. Do I wear color often? No, but like right now I'm currently obsessed with neons, and you know, pink is the go-to. So I do have some more neon pieces to share with you guys, but I'm gonna break up the neon pink and share with you guys two black pieces that I picked out. I'm a huge fan of black. It's just so classic, so simple, and it just looks good on everybody. Like the color black looks good on everybody, and this is such a beautiful little dress. So this is a sequined, completely sequined black dress. I love it so much. It's actually really comfortable considering it's sequined. The inside has a really nice slip kind of feel, and the straps are super like clean, so it just looks kind of like sexy and clean and simple, but still packs a punch. Like this is perfect for New Year's. I mean, there aren't very many times I would wear sequins, but New Year's, I feel like it calls for sequins. Okay, this piece I just love. It actually goes up like this. It's kind of hard to show on the hanger, but it sits up like this, and it's just a really pretty, it's kind of long, but it's very adjustable length. It also has these like straps at the bottom. The length is very adjustable, which I personally love, because if you're shorter like me, you can just tug on the side straps and make it shorter and tie it, and it just looks super cute. Or you can make it longer if you're a taller girl, or if you just, even if you're short but you want to wear it longer that day. Super adjustable, but it's just so dainty and pretty. This dress is super like soft and dainty and pretty, and it almost looks like you didn't really try hard, like, oh, I just threw this on kind of vibes. Just to show you guys a little bit of detailing on the back, it kind of just bunches up over here. It just looks really pretty. So next piece is this really gorgeous little mini skirt, and I love it because it's black, so it's simple. You can pair it with a black top, or you can pair it with white or nude. But what I love about this is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's all glittery, but the glitter doesn't shed, which is like hallelujah, thank God. But it's just such a cute little mini skirt. It is on the short side, so if you're a taller girl, I don't think this would work for you, but I'm 5'1" and it just works perfect for me. Obviously, I would still wear like some black mini shorts underneath just so I could feel comfortable, but it just, it's super mini. Just keep that in mind. And there is a zipper on the side. So the next dress is another kind of neon piece, but what I love about this is it's a neon coral. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely not neon pink. It's more neon coral, and I love, love, love it. Just such a different color. It is a mini dress, but what I love about this too is the straps are all diamonds. Like, so pretty, so glam. I'm not gonna lie to you, it would depend on my mood for New Year's. Like, if I was feeling really like timid, then I might just go for the simple throw on black dress. But if I was feeling bold and like, not even bold, if I was just feeling fierce, like I really wanted to glam it up, this would be my go-to because I love the straps, and then I love the neon coral, just super pretty. All right, last two pieces. This one is a little less party and more just like regular crop top, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. This is the same exact material as the Kylie dress that I showed you, or the two neon pink dresses, but it's just in a crop top version, which is super cute. I feel like you could wear this with a charcoal, like a charcoal gray jean jacket or a puffer jacket, or with some joggers. Just so cute, like Such a cute little top. So last kind of party dress item is this really amazing piece. It is so gorgeous. This is more of like a hot pink. It's a little bit neon, but not fully. It's a really pretty kind of satiny silk material, and it has a little bit of like a peekaboo on your stomach here. It crisscrosses on the chest, and this one is also mini as well. You'll notice that a lot of these pieces were mini dresses, and I think that's just because mini dresses are really in right now. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit shorter than my other hauls, and normally I have like 15 or 20, 30 items to share with you guys, but I just wanted to put together a good amount of dresses to share with you guys as my recommendations if any of you guys are partying it up this holiday season. Don't forget, you can get 15% off every single item I shared in this video and every single item on Meshki using my coupon code Macedo. Also, thank you so much to Meshki for partnering up with me on this video. And also don't forget that everything is linked down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this clothing haul. Don't forget to give me a like, thumbs up so that I can keep doing more of them. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.